Unleashing creating the world of scrap metal art and functional designs. Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. And so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Welcome to the world where discord metal finds new life as a captivating work of arts and functional masterpieces. In this video, we will dive deep into the realm of scrap metal art, exploring the creative process, techniques, and the endless possibilities that come with transforming specific metal into something extraordinary. So, if you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. And this video also share to your friends. Scrap metal art begins with the inspiration and vision. Artists scrape out collecting materials that others might look. The challenge lies in seeing beauty in the discord and evaluating how different pieces can come together from conceptualization and acting. This phase is where imagination meets raw materials setting with a stage of unique artist journey. If you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Discover the diverse world of materials used in a scrap metal art, ranging from abstract gears to all bicycle parts, welding equipment, grinders, and protective gear from the artist tools of choice. This section explores how the right combination of materials and tools allows artists to bring their creative vision of life. Turning seemingly mundane objects into captivating sculptures. If you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Welding is the backbone of scrap metal art, and mastering various welding techniques is crucial. Whether it's strict welding from stability and MIG welding or friction, artists employ a range of methods to ensure the structural integrity of their creations. Dive into the fascinating world of sparks, heat, and craftsmanship as artists weld together disparate pieces from choosive and captivating sculptures. Watch as scrap metal transformation into the stunning works as art night before your eyes. Artists skillfully combine aesthetics and functionality, showcasing how to discarded metal piece can find new purpose and beauty. So please like the video and also like, subscribe and press the bell icon. This section explores a specific project highlighting and intricate details to thought process behind each creation, emphasizing the transformative process of creativity. As we conclude this journey into the world of scrap metal art, we have witnessed transformation of discard pieces into the captivating creation. From the inviting inspiration while these artists metal. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.